Hey, good afternoon guys, Vic here with Kaizink. Just wanted to show you a quick improvement here to our Darkroom files. So when we go to open a file, sometimes the files they'll be scattered around. What we're looking for is these EPS files here, but sometimes those will be in between the JPEGs or these other files down here. So what you're going to want to do is just you can come up here and hit type, and the type is going to categorize them all in the same type of file. And then instead of copying and pasting one at a time, you can actually select one, hold down shift in the arrow key, and that's going to allow you to select multiples. Then you can just go ahead and right click and copy those guys directly up to our hot folder. So it's going to save, it's going to definitely save some motion and transportation and eliminate some waiting in dragging and dropping each one of those, having to find them in between the different files. So yeah, it's going to eliminate some motion, transportation, and waiting. Thanks guys.